Alright. Let's go, guys. Monday open. Finally, let's get right into it, guys. Let me make sure I'm recording. Yes. Alright. Let's get it. So on the SPY, we have a gap to the upside. I don't know if we're gonna fill it today, but because we have this 15-minute chart right beside the QQQ, we have this 15-minute chart overall. We found support at the 500s pretty much, so we're gonna mark this out as support level. And let's see, the SPY, not so big of a gap. The ES seems like it wants to flip bullish, and there's a couple things that I changed over the weekend on my charts, such as I removed the 1-minute chart because it had too much noise. I let the overall 2-minute chart, and I added the 21 EMA on the 2 and 3-minute chart, but I think I might remove it because the prices are different. So the 5-minute chart got stuck at the VWAP, and now we try to push 4 minutes until the market opens. We got resistance up there into the 650 resistance up there, top of the range. And this, we already marked out this overall 500 level. And let me remove this. So I replaced the 15-minute chart. I put the 5 and 15-minute chart right beside it, put the 2 and 3-minute chart, took out the 1-minute chart because it had too much noise. And we have also the daily chart to watch it because it's super important. Now let's see if this wants to push, or we push right through the 600s up there to the 6. If we can push up there through the 600s to the 650s, I think we can make it. I think we can make it a little bit higher also. We will have like a break of structure. We will have that type of action where if we can push above the 600s, we can push at this pivot over here. Hold up. We can push at this daily pivot on the 630 and then turn this area into support, such as maybe something like this. But I'm not sure we're gonna get it because on the daily chart it looks like we didn't find support here. We didn't find support in the 800s, which signifies that we may want to push at these levels of liquidity. Here maybe. We have all these levels that I think we have orders sitting on, and I think we're gonna get it. So let's see, we wicked from the 500s, which obviously shows that we're a bit bullish, but let's see what happens. Let's not get biased. We have a pivot up there, 630s, yeah, 630 pivot up there. The 2-minute chart looks good. We're pulling back into the 21 EMA here. And I think this looks very good for a push. On my execution platform, I replaced the charts with the 24 range charts and the Heikin candles for a better visualization of the trends. As you can see, we clearly see bullish moves and bearish moves. Very good way. So let's see if we can actually legitly get a breakout here, at open, like at the 28 in 2 minutes. We're gonna go in like 3 contracts. I had, unfortunately, don't ask me why, but I had to reset the account out of many reasons. I used the 2-minute chart, which had a lot of noise, and I had to reset it because I busted the account. Now I added also this overall volume profile here, which shows us the key levels where the most volume is sitting at, and we potentially can turn it into support. So we're at the 60s now. We had some good volume here in the 60s, which I believe has good potential, and let's see, we need a green candle to pop, let's say above the 65s here, and then get through that VWAP level, get through all this volume up here, get through all the way to that 600 area. 4 seconds left. Let's go. Let's see how the market reacts. think we can make this level overall here. Let's see, can we get into a long? Let's see, down there 40s, we got good volume into the 40s. No green candle yet, so let's not rush. Let's not hurry. Looks like we might get a push. On the normal candlesticks, let's see what happens. As you can see, the Heikanashi candles are an average of prices, but they're not actually the real raw data price. The raw data is all the way here, and that's why I have this overall 3-minute chart next to me. Let's see if we can put in a higher low, because I believe if we break the 500s, then it's obviously bearish. But as long as we can keep staying above this level here. Oh damn, come on, put these here. 500, there we go. Would have been great for a push. But as you know, guys, the market will not always give you what you want. Let's see if we can come back up, retest this area of 45 here. When there's no volume like this in between here, we typically tend to move like really quick. Maybe we can even go up there, retest the 550s before going lower eventually. There it is, there's the 540s. There's the 540s. Push up there 545 next maybe. Or is this finally, if we get above the 550s and turn the 550s into support, maybe we can get a long for up there to the VWAP. Let's see if we actually reject it at the VWAP. Chop. We get chop. We have a boatload of chop. We pushed up there all the way into this volume up here. We have more volume to the upside than very interesting. Let's see how Monday is like. We pushed up there 86s. 86, yeah, 86s. We pushed it up and we dumped from there into the 30s, almost 50 points. No, this is crazy. Bad boy doesn't want to move, it tricks us. You got short down here, you probably got stopped out somewhere here. God damn. Our little Nasdaq today doesn't want to push below the 21 EMA. Okie dokie, I think we're gonna have to push out of the bottom. We're obviously in this range overall. You know, if we go test the 45s, maybe 50s up there, would be willing to try a short. This is good trend. Oh, god damn it. What are normal candlesticks saying here? We're trading 3 minis here. Let me see if we can actually trade 2 minis today. 2 minis. 2 minis. Maybe we can get a short stab here. Oops. Got stopped out for $400. There is so much chop. Way too much chop. I'm gonna try a short here. Maybe we finally get this dump. Apparently we can't. We can't get the dump. Yeah, no, this is no joke, guys. This is literally no joke. What is the 2-minute chart saying? 2-minute chart looks as... Two-minute chart just doesn't want to. Okay. Let's see, 40 level. There it is. There's the 40s. If we can get above the 50s, retest the 50s, that'd be sick. Let's see. 50 level. There it is. They retested the 40s. There's a push. There's a push, but I'm still not convinced because we want maybe that 60 area and then we want to re-dump, let's say. I mean classic. Push above the 60s. Okay. Good shit. Okay, 2-minute chart. There's the VWAP. There's no point in getting, I think, long or short here. Now I think it's good to either go long or short. Let me switch real quick from here. Retesting this 50 area, maybe. Oh shit, I have brackets on. Oof, I didn't actually see I have brackets. There we go. Just doesn't work out. Down 2,000, down almost 2,000 here. Just doesn't want to. We're just gonna toss in all of them, the full lot. Is it really choppy? Yeah, it's 2-minute chart says that we don't wanna. Support at the 40s. Man, this action is just, bruh. Wow. Quick flush down. No winning trades. If we lose the account here, that's okay. There he goes, 53s. down 700. Retest the 40s. Come on, retest that 40 area. Let's see if we can take another trade. How many trades? 6 trades. Okay. Oof. God damn. We need some like structure on the 24 range chart here. Go back up there. Retest this overall level of resistance. I don't know, I'm just gonna try it. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're down 1,200. We have $1,000 left of drawdown. From which I believe we will be very strongly. Oof, damn, bro. Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can modify the range a little bit to 25 here. Okay, nice. This couldn't be worse. Come on, can you break at last, or will it just stop us out for a loss? There it goes. Move it up here. There it is, there's the 10s. Move it up here. There goes 5. There we go. We're done. I think we're done for today. I think that was a overall great trade. Let me see, how much do we win in one shot? $700, $727. Okay, so that was the trade I wanted to see. That was the short. Let's see. Yeah, that was the short initially. That was it. Sometimes you just oof, bro, my volume profile. God damn. Oh no, it doesn't have volume profile. Oh, I'm on the micro chart. Oh, I see. Okay. Let's see. Day volume profile. There we go. We're barely having any volume here, so we might tank into the 90s. But I'm done because the only reason because I'm done is I'm already up 9 trades and I don't like this. And we're already down close to losing the account because I want to pass quicker and in one day. So it doesn't matter at this point. So really what we're trying to do is get it done with, lower to 5 minis. We're trying to get it done quickly. There's no point. The candlesticks are just very, very choppy. Oof. Oh, goddamn. Alright. I think I'm happy with it. I think I'm happy with how today... I don't know. I think I'm a bit unhinged on 10 minis. But I really do want to... I hope you guys understand that I do want to pass in one day. By the way, check Apex out if you yet haven't checked them out. They have 80% off and 1 day to pass. Meaning, normally it's 7 days to pass an evaluation. But now that we have officially... we have the 1 day pass, you can now pass in just a single day. You know what? I'm done. I'm actually happy. I'm actually gonna keep trading for tomorrow. Let me see if I can just move it down. Okay, let's move out a little bit. Let's zoom out. 50-minute chart. It wants to go. It wants to go, boys, at this recent low into the 90s. It wants to go. She wants it. Okay, we closed the gap on the SPY, the small gap. We also, oh, I see, gap fill, as you can see. We're closing it, very interesting. Chop massively. Let's zoom out a little bit. Yeah, see, it's chop. Yo, what are these, boys? What are these, guys? I just... I think we scored a massive trade here. Yeah, the largest winning trade was about $1,885. We'd only pulled this out like 700, which is great because that brings us very close to our $3,000 goal. I'm just not sure how this will turn out, but you know what? I'm done for today. I'm just gonna go away. I'm just gonna take a look at the charts, tell you guys what to expect in the following days. Like I said, we don't have overall this structure. I never seen in my entire life the Nasdaq doing something like this, where it just dumps aggressively in one line and then it suddenly goes back up like this. No, this is not a meme coin, guys. The price action is smooth. So if anything, this was a wick, top of the range, a wick that it was gonna just keep going down. Perhaps we even won that 2000 area. So expect the following days either choppy or I'd say dumpy, right? Choppy or dumpy, one of the two. Now for the news-wise, tomorrow we got Canadian CPI, housing starts number, Bank of Canada core CPI, and all of them at 14:30, which I'm not going to record because like I said, news trading is just dangerous. The whole week we got news. This one's not so important, but Wednesday I think we got US initial jobless claims, which is very, very important. Stick around for that. And we got at 15:45, very interesting, the US S&P manufacturing PMI, and at 4 o'clock we got University Sentiment Michigan. Final. That would be Friday. So let's see how we go this week, and yeah, let's go. Let's score some. Let's get it, guys. Let's freaking get it. I think $700 for today. I'm happy with it. I don't think I'm gonna trade the micros anymore for the rest of the evaluation. Maybe, I'm not sure. But let's see how it does. Let's see. My risk management was way off, I will admit, I know. But the truth is, I need to pass as soon as possible, and I need to pass in one day. Like, I'm not saying I want to pass in one day, but I'm trying to pass it in one day. If I can, I will pass it in one day. There we go, 520s. Kind of choppy downtrend if you ask me. Not a good steady price action to the downside, you know. 2-minute chart, like, it's kind of whippy, you know. Look at these. Wicks. I mean, I just don't really know. You just won't really know where to get short at this point because it's a VWAP open, you know. Man, what is this? This was a good dump. See, we got stuck for 499s. See if we can snap the 499s, turn the 500s into resistance. But guys, I'm gonna go. I'm done for today. We're gonna come back tomorrow, see what happens tomorrow. And thank you guys for tuning in. Tune in tomorrow for Tuesday Open. And let's get to 50 subs so I can finally start live streaming with you guys every single day, documenting my trades and all, documenting my journey as a funded trader. And let's get the show starting and popping. We might chop now. We might have some of, you know, we might have some of this a little bit before we dump. So expect some of this. If you're trading with me right now, guys, just expect this. But I know this is a recording and not a live stream, so everything you're watching is delayed. And I'm sorry for that, but 50 subs, like, subscribe, and let's get it. Let's get the show started. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Tuesday Open. Take care, guys. Peace out.